This is my rotisserie, the Titan ROT-4500. I got my 1964 Ford Falcon on it right now. It's about 17 feet. Really easy to use. Comes with everything I needed to. I just had to add bolts, but everything else, everything I needed to mount the car to it. Brackets. It's got nice casters. You can lock the wheels. To spin it, you just unlock both sides. And it turns real easy. Lock it back where you want it. For more leverage, it's got two jacks, got holes in it to hold the bars.